Hello everyone, welcome back. Welcome back to a brief video on this BMW X2 that I obtained back in September. I just want to give you an update about what's happening with it. So let's roll the credits. Right, yeah, BMW X2. Where do we begin? So we are, as you can probably tell with the gilet on, we are in November. Just coming up nearly to mid-November. I thought I'd just do a really quick video on the old X2 here. If you don't already know, it's a 2019 X2 with about 70-odd thousand miles on the clock, purchased from Copart back in September. Believed to be a customer car. I think it was a customer car. Went through a bit of a bidding war with the seller to basically, because he wanted quite a lot of money for it. I won it for quite cheap and he wasn't budging. But anyway, there's a video on this. So it's been delivered and it's basically sat here ever since. So we are, what, end of September into November now. So why is it still sat here? The main thing is that the DVLA are not issuing the V5 for it. We have come across an issue. And yeah, why are they not issuing it? So I don't actually know. They won't tell me. Long story short is applied for with a V62, applied for the logbook through the V62, paid the £25 fee, and yeah, and then, you know, these things take time for them to, because it's not an insurance job, it's taken time to process the form because they need to contact the customer to find out whether or not this is a legit transaction, so to speak, and that they want the car gone and that I'm the new owner. So how it works is they contact, I think they send a letter to the previous owner saying someone's trying to register the car in their name. Can you just confirm basically that you've sold the car? They send you a letter saying that barring any issues, problems, the V5 will be issued to you within like a week or so of you sending the letter, of you receiving the letter. Sorry. So we received a letter from the DVLA saying that roughly around the 21st of September, the V5 would be issued for the car. We are, that came and went. There was nothing at all. We contacted the DVLA, or I contacted the DVLA to say what's going on, and they on the phone went, oh, it's like an administrative error, we're looking into it, it should be sorted very soon. Another week goes by, still nothing. So back on the phone again. They then respond on the phone and say, we've sent you a letter, you need to provide us proof that you've got ownership, or you've got the car. Just wait for the letter to turn up, and then respond to the letter. A week and a half turns up, or goes by, still no letter. So back on the phone to them again, and they say, okay, tell you what, send us an email. We'll tell you exactly what we want. Send us an email with this information. It'll just process it quicker. But again, we're not going to tell you anything about it. Now, it's quite, what's the word I want to use? It's not rare for this to happen. You can Google it. It seems that the DVLA have got a dispute somewhere, and they have asked for us to send pictures of the car, to send pictures of the registration, to send pictures of the VIN number, which is in the window and in the door, and then they want invoices of the purchase. They want information about the delivery, when it was delivered to me, and that, as of the 13th of November, is where we're at. They have all this information, and we're still none the wiser as to why they want it. A woman from DVLA about 3 weeks ago said it's a spot check. We randomly do it for administrative reasons. I don't believe that at all. So where we're at, I think, is this car has gone into Copart. It's not stolen, by the way. P&C, the Police National Computer, doesn't show this car stolen. But someone has put this car into auction, has sold it there, and for whatever reason, the people who may have owned this car before, or initially, or I don't know, has the V5 with their name in it, is maybe saying that they have not given permission or for that car to be sold. I don't know. I don't get it. The V5 is not coming to us, and the DVLA are not telling us about it, and they won't issue it. So when we got this in August, did I say September? Got it in August. So September, October. So my missus has been waiting to run this for months now, and we can't do it because we can't tax it. And that's where we are. I've nothing more to say on it. I don't get it. I don't understand. They won't talk to me. They won't tell me. There's a lot of questions being asked, and yeah, we are where we are. So again, it's just a short video to sort of say that once it's running, I'll get a better understanding of how it is, and I can sort of top and tail the video with any work and stuff that I've done to it. If you guys would have any ideas that's maybe different to mine, or maybe just firms up what I've said, it'd be really appreciated. I don't believe for 1 minute it's a clone. The VINs look intact. I firmly believe this is the legit car. Yeah. So I think we'll leave it there, because one, I'm getting a bit cold now, and yeah, just let me know your thoughts on it. We really appreciate it, and do the usual thumbs up, subscribe potentially for a further update on this, and I'll speak to you all again later in the week. So until next time, thank you all for watching this lovely car. Thank you for showing your support on the channel, and I'll catch up with you all again very, very soon.